Getting started with the Navigate Student app. Students at Chemeketa Community College can download the Navigate Student mobile app to schedule appointments, view your class schedule and sync your calendar, find resources, view your holds if you have any, view important to-dos and events, communicate with your Success Network, and more. To get started, visit your App Store on your mobile device and search for Navigate Student to download the app. Open the app and enter Chemeketa to find your school. Tap Login with your school account. Enter your MyChemeketa username and password when prompted. Review the Terms of Use agreement and tap the I accept button. Get familiar with the Navigate Student app by reviewing a quick tour of features. To receive notifications, tap the Yes Enable Notifications button and then tap the Allow button when prompted. Answer a few questions from the intake form before you get started. Once completed, you should see your dashboard with available resources and options. Students must have a Chemeketa account before they can sign in successfully to the Navigate app. For more details, visit chemeketa.edu/students/navigate.